here I want to talk about dividing fractions and mostly see that the rule about multiplying by the reciprocal, or sometimes referred to as copy dot flip, a nice way to remember it, still works in the way we normally think of division. So if I think about division with whole numbers, I'm asking how many times does this number go into this number. For fractions, I'm still asking the same thing. I'm saying how many times does 1/8 go into 3/4. So let's do our rule and then we'll see that it works down here. So how do I divide? Well, almost there really is no division. I just rewrite the problem and multiply. But how do I rewrite the problem? One way I've heard that's kind of catchy to remember it is copy dot flip. We're multiplying by the reciprocal, but this kind of tells you which one to take the reciprocal of. So first number, I just copy it down, change the multiplication to, or division to multiplication, which is what the dot comes in, and then flip. Take the reciprocal of 1/8, which reciprocal just means flip the top and bottom, so 8/1. And so now all I have to do is know how to multiply. Well, multiplying is kind of one of the easier rules out of fractions. I go straight across. So if I multiply straight across, the top is 3 times 8, so 24, and the bottom is 4 times 1, so 4. And I always want to reduce my fractions if I can, so it looks like 24 divided by 4 gives me 6/1, or if it's over 1, I can just write 6 since that's a whole number. So apparently 1/8 goes into 3/4 6 times. Well, let's think about this. How big are 1/8 size pieces? If I turn this into 1/8 size pieces from 1/4 size pieces, let's make sure there's 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now these are 1/8 size pieces. How many 1/8 size pieces actually fit in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1/8 goes into 3/4, fits into the same amount 6 times. And I can see it worked the same in my answer over here.